Good morning, boys and girls. Today, after you do your math page of writing your numbers, there is a fun bingo game. In order to play, you're going to need these two pages. This one is the one that you're going to use. This one is the one that your parents are going to use. Before you play the game, these squares need to be cut out. So you pause the video, cut those out. I'm going to pause my video and cut them out, and then we'll meet back here when we're done. All right, do you have your squares cut out? I have my squares cut out. So your parents are going, or adult, or older brother, sister, whoever you're playing bingo with is going to use these cards. After they're cut out, you're going to want to mix them up a little bit. And then you are going to want to have a pencil or crayons. I'm using a pencil, but if you have crayons, you need to make your pictures pretty. I'm just going to put an X on my square, okay? So your parent or whoever you're playing with, your partner, does not have to show you this card, okay? So they're going to pick a card and they say 3. That means that you're going to look on your board for something that you see 3 of. I see 1, 2, 3 crayons. If you have crayons, markers, colored pencils, whatever, go ahead and color in your crayon box. I am just going to put an X over my box of crayons. Okay? The goal of bingo, or you can use little counters or chips and play more than once too. If you don't want to color in your paper, that's fine too. The goal is to get in a row going down, in a line going down a column, or in a row going across. Okay, so I found 3. Well, guess what? I don't know what these are. Oh, pencil top erasers. That's what they are. All I could see was a lamp. I see 3 lamps here too, but I have to wait for my person to say another number 3. I can only do 1 square per number called. Okay, so the next number they say is 5. I have to find a square that has 5 of something. I see that there's a bunch of pencils here, so I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 pencils here. So I could color them, I could put a counter on it, or I can X it out. Well, say they get to this free space. It has a present on it. That means that you get to pick whatever space you want to color or put an X over or put a counter. However you're marking your spaces, you get to pick whatever space you want. Remember, you only get to do 1 square though, but you get to pick it. Say you really want this apple marked off, you could mark it off. Maybe you want the globe marked off. You can mark that off. You get to pick the spot that you mark off on 3. And then they will keep drawing and calling out numbers or free spots until you get a column or a row of 4 in a row. Okay, and then you guys get a bingo, or you get a bingo. Maybe they might have something small that you could earn as a prize. Maybe a penny, or maybe I don't know, a drink of juice or something. Anyways, I hope that you guys have fun playing the math bingo, and I hope that you have a great Friday.